Cool. GT Master. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
Say something for French angler.
Oh, hello, friend angler. Come to Bali.
Come to Bali.
Come to Bali for GT popping. So finger crossed, you can meet the Mama GT.
Mama GT.
Mama GT. You. But we do catch and release, yeah.
Yes, but practice catch and release is really important for future generation of angler. Yes.
GT respect.
GT respect.
GT respect.
GT respect.
Catch and release. It's close. But we're gonna go to the other one.
Elle doit être en train de dormir.
It's close.
It's closed.
Oh no.
Bon, on ira voir le magasin de pêche un autre jour. Hein.
Close.
No, I forget to push the...
What? Oh, you
I forget to light.
Try again, one more.
Ok. Alors, je viens d'oublier d'appuyer sur le bouton de film, on va essayer de la refaire. Alors, je suis avec Kewol. Kewol, c'est à la base un taxi de Bali, mais il aime tellement la pêche, en fait, qu'il aime la partager et surtout transmettre les valeurs telles que le catch and release et le no kill, parce que à Bali, il y a peut-être beaucoup de fish, mais il y a beaucoup de gens qui mangent les poissons en fait, qui relâchent pas en fait, et ça c'est très dangereux. C'est comme en France, partout ailleurs, il faut relâcher des poissons si on veut continuer à en pêcher. Et donc Kewol, hashtag Dunku, c'est un mec super gentil, il est vraiment adorable. Il est venu me chercher à l'aéroport, il m'a amené à l'hôtel, même si c'était 1 h du matin parce que j'avais du retard. Il est adorable. Il parle anglais, donc franchement il a un bon anglais, parce que moi j'ai un anglais survivor, vraiment si vous comprenez pas grand chose c'est normal, mais on peut vite comprendre. Il est adorable, il fait tout pour que vous vous sentiez à l'aise et surtout qu'il n'y ait pas de problème en fait. Et demain on va pêcher, on va acheter la nourriture, on va aller voir les magasins de pêche aussi. Bon, il y en avait un qui était fermé là, et puis let's go. You
GT Buster. Yeah.
GT Buster.
Oh my god! Woo! Ever. Let's get back. Woo!
Tonight I send you a link for looking my YouTube channel.
Okay. I have also my YouTube channel too.
Don't worry, I see all your video. I looking all your video. I got the glove, I got the rings, I got the lure, I got the leader.
Yeah.
What size of leader do you use?
Leader minimum I use like 130
130
lips. Yeah.
Okay. I got 2000. It's okay?
200?
Yes, 200 is not too bigger.
Oh, let's see tomorrow. Yeah, it depends. If too big, it's it's difficult when you cast, with the ring guide, So I'll check.
Have you a long leader?
Yeah, I do long leader. And you?
Yes. It's depending. It's depending.
Yeah.
I see for G, we need the knot coming knot. Just before the reel. With FG knot.
FG knot, yeah. Some people like too long, but at least one time, But I will show you tomorrow.
Okay.
So it's long. I like to hold the leader. Some people they just like put leader maybe like this.
What we smoke?
Just like the truss.
What?
They were the truss like from leaf, leaf. The truss, from the ceremony.
Ah, okay, for ceremony.
From this, yeah.
Ah, ok. Parce qu'en fait, aujourd'hui, il y avait des cérémonies dans les petits villages. Et c'était marrant parce que dans la forêt des singes, à un moment, il y avait des gens assis par terre qui faisaient une cérémonie avec des offrandes et tout. Et tout autour, il y avait des policiers avec des frondes, en fait, qui tiraient au lance-pierre sur les singes qui venaient de chourer la nourriture. 4G.
GT popping, maybe I start about maybe 4 years ago.
4 years ago?
Yeah.
Oh, new shop.
Yeah, let's get a shop. cheap lure, you know, cheap rod, you know, not that really. Okay, for beginner. Some is like good one. 480.
What do you fish in the river?
You know, like catfish. You can go to the popper. The popper. And then metal jig.
Metal jig, yes, I see that.
Yeah, BKK Diablo.
I got.
They have?
I got it.
Mostly I use BKK. BKK is good.
Yeah?
And also,
Do you use barbless?
No, no barbless. No barbless.
Oh, very good.
I don't have, it's difficult to buy. But I use normal, regular retrieval hook.
Me, I broke the barbless.
Yeah?
Because if my travel like hook me, I can get out the hook of my body.
Yeah. So that's kind of lure they have. Yeah.
It's a big pink.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. What's this model?
This is like a local brand, but this is from Java, not from Bali, but Taurus brand.
It's a Bali bait? No.
No, no, from Java.
Okay, Japan.
Yeah, not Japan, Java.
Java.
Other island, yeah. It's like 100 drive. This is like, it's not sink, but it's underwater. But this one, perfectly, you put like 50, and then people
One
put
finger?
one finger on the back, maybe 50.
50 and 50, yes.
So will be maximize the action.
Swimming.
Yeah.
A good swimming action.
Yeah.
Do you think it's a good model?
Yeah. Mostly the GT, they don't know the color. You know, this is about you, the user, the angler. They like the color. Oh, I like pink, I like black, but usually this part.
Because the GT
shiny,
don't
yeah.
see this.
They don't know the color. They don't know the color.
Do you use a natural color? Very shiny.
No, I like this with the hologram sticker.
Yes. Okay.
It's up to you which one you like. But tomorrow you use mine because the lure that I got is like for the tester.
Very special.
For tester, you know.
Okay.
Could you look? You do. You coba, ini ya. Oh, no, maro deh. Yeah.
This size?
Yeah, this size.
Yes. Bye.
Diablo, single hook.
4 Diablo?
No, yeah. This is like, yeah. This is from Java too.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
And no barbless hook.
No barbless hook.
No
I don't
barbless
have. I want to, but I don't have. You know, because difficult to buy. You know, in Bali, mostly the hook is like with.
I understand.
Yeah,
Okay.
difficult to buy.
Whoa.
GD.
Look.
Yeah, from the sky.
Destroy.
Yeah.
Wow. How many fish in this lure?
So far it's already one because I just got it.
Just one fish?
Yeah.
No, one fish destroys the lure.
Yeah.
Whoa.
One. But the one is no bite. You can see.
Yeah, I see.
This one no bite.
No bite.
Still good, but this is because the hook. You know? I put a single hook. This one is like.
I can't believe the damage.
The damage, yeah. This is like tester lure local from Bali. Send me this one.
I see your small video when you
Open
you
it?
open the
Yeah.
box with the lure.
Yeah, this one. Like tester lure. This tester lure. Yeah.
Whoa.
It's a popper.
Very beautiful blue.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not heavy.
No, it's 80.
It's not heavy.
This one is 80 gram.
Kateslure.
Yeah.
Kateslure.
From Java.
Wow.
It's east of Java. This one also.
I need one. Wow, Kateslure.
Yeah.
And it's a new color? It's your color or his color?
He decided. He just sent to me. But I request this color, the black one and the pink one. This is one I request. I want a black color.
Black color.
Black color. But not fishy yet. Not fishy yet.
Ooh, frothing.
Yeah, for tester, you know.
Tester.
Yeah.
Oui. Q, il teste des leurres quand ses copains sur l'île, ils fabriquent en fait.
Yeah.
Donc ça permet vraiment d'avoir... lui, il sait ce qui se passe sur l'eau, il sait comment ça se passe. Il dit à son copain il fait des leurres en bois. Il make a wood lure.
Yeah, wood.
Especially for here. For
Handmade.
fishing here.
Handmade.
In handmade, il les fait à la main,
yeah.
en bois, à la main, esprit. Et Q, il va les essayer après sur l'eau pour vraiment avoir la meilleure nage et surtout le meilleur leurre pour prendre les jeter à Bali.
Yeah.
50 kilo?
Yeah.
No, 50
Yeah.
kilo. And he's strong or he's not strong?
But you know, it was my fishing trip. I hook up, but I give my customer to fight.
The rod. Okay.
Yeah. So.
Okay. And what size of GT pulling too strong? The small or the bigger?
It depends where you are. You know, GT fight strong, but depend the spot. Also, sometimes they strong because also the strong current, and even the fish stay, but because strong current, it make more power. You know.
Yeah.
But actually, they're more aggressive when in what you call it, when they chasing the small fish. You know, like small bite. Yeah. They're more aggressive.
More aggressive,
Yeah.
but more pulling.
Yeah. So at the Batu Abah, it's more because it's strong current. That character, the GT there, they good fighter.
Okay.
When we fight, they will like this. So it's difficult to pulling up because the body make you know the current. You know, like they move like this. But that's you know like a.
Ce qu'il dit, c'est que la carangue en fait, elle tire beaucoup parce que souvent on l'attrape dans les zones où il y a beaucoup de courant. Et la particularité qu'il a ce poisson, c'est qu'il est large et plat en fait. Et dès qu'il combat en fait, il se met à plat en fait pour appuyer sur le courant en fait. Donc c'est comme si en fait vous accrochiez une plaque de bois ou une table tout simplement et que vous tirez avec la table comme ça contre le courant. Ça tire absolument trop fort. Ça tire super. Ça tire vraiment trop fort. Donc ça fait peur quand même, ça fait peur. Mais bon, il y est arrivé, je vois pas pourquoi nous on n'y arriverait pas. Hein, et puis c'est le meilleur, hein, il est là pour faire que tout se passe bien. Yes. I translate.
Flat. So I learned how to cast. You know, make a splash of the water. I use a popper. How to make cast. You know. How to make a long cast, you know, that's how I learned, you know. And then
you learn a lot of.
Yeah, and then I how to make you know, lure always in the water, not like jump.
What's the best animation? What's the best swimming?
Yeah, that's
for interesting the G.
But that time I just use popper. I don't have stick bite yet. And then what happened after cast and the moment come that the GT I saw follow my lure. You know,
follow slow or fast?
No, they just keep follow because I flash.
Okay.
Like that. I cast, and then the GT. I saw the pin and the tail follow. I keep doing, and then the GT is chasing, you know, and miss, and again come again the GT, and then hit. Finally, it's hook up, just nearby.
In front of the boat.
Yeah, in front of the boat.
Wow, it's really hard.
And then. Fill up, you know, but not long fight, you know.
Not long fight.
Yeah.
And it's a bigger fish?
No, it's small. It's gonna be like you know, 5 kilo, 6 kilo. But my first GT. My first GT.
Your first.
And then a second trip, I go popping again. Then I start. I caught about like 15 kilo. 15, 1 fight. Yeah.
And before you fishing, people fishing before you in the Iceland?
Yeah, people already go there. I mean, this is like a spot for people for popping. Yeah.
And do you think people fishing too much the same spot every time?
Oh yeah, that's the problem, you know, in Bali.
The problem.
Yeah.
And for what? The sinking stick bait are really interesting in this time. No?
Mostly in the beginning they do popper, yeah, for popping. But now they use a lot of people use stick bite.
Stick bait.
Sinking stick bite, because the character of the spot is choppy water, you know, like at Batu Aba that we're gonna go tomorrow. It'll be choppy water, so it's difficult for you to use popper, because if you use popper it will be jump, you know, not in the water. But with the sinking stick bite, you cast and let it sink a little bit, and then you start to do long swing, you know. So it means the lure is always in the water, you know, always in the water. So you have big chance to catch GT.
Yes.
Yeah, because the GT see more.
Not a good action.
Yeah.
It don't bite.
No bite.
No bite.
Yeah.
Wow. We need to cast, have a good cast and really good action.
Make a good
with
action.
Not
yeah.
with not a bad movement.
But sometimes.
Yes, because it's the fishing.
Yeah.
We don't know.
But sometimes, you know, when you cast and then you wait a little bit, and then the GT smash, you know.
Smash.
Yeah. Oh, it's close again. This one, the fishing shop.
Ah.
This one, the small one.
Okay.
It's already close.
Close. Because it's a ceremony day.
Yeah, I think so.
Itu sekarang mau nge-vlog di sana. Wah, sambilan bikin vlog dan sekolahnya durian.
Yeah, this one, the texture also. Don't be young. This one, the damaged one.
Wow. Ah, il a pris cher celui-là. Le damage.
This one is 5-0.
Yes.
And Diablo single.
Diablo single in the tail.
Yeah. Make more the action more.
Ouais, pour une meilleure action, en fait, il dit qu'il faut mettre un triple au ventre. Et selon les stick bait, en fait, il met un triple au ventre et un simple aux fesses, en fait. Thank you.
Huh? This is my first copy of Kubera, but my first popper I do when I go fishing.
Wow.
My first time I
It's
go
very,
popping.
very special.
Yeah.
It's the beginning of all this story.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Destroy.
Oh shit. And this one souvenir from my friend.
Wow.
Jig.
So, my special, just lucky to have like special, you know.
Wow. And-
Take picture.
And you fishing again with this? Oh no.
More. I don't want to use it again. Because you see also the damage. This is handmade, you know.
Wow.
This one is broken.
Just one fish.
No.
Ah.
3.
3 fish?
Yeah, the biggest is 50 kilo.
Wow, 50 kilo. Énorme. Énorme, just big.
Yeah, big one.
Just.
And then another tester is one tester from local from Bali also. I got 2. Manuk blue. Yeah.
Wow.
It's sinking. You can find it's quite heavy.
Oh yes.
But
It's
this is
really heavy.
sinking, yeah.
Wow. You have a good collection.
Yeah, sometimes people some buy, some is like tester, and this one is also tester. It's local brand, but this is it's limited.
Wow.
It's
Limited.
my friend only made us 7 of this.
7? Just 7?
7 pieces.
Wow. This is a great and long working
Long,
for
yeah.
making this.
It's already 2 fish already.
2 fish?
Yeah. So GT.
Oh. It's big.
Damage.
It's
Yeah, you
big.
can see the damage from the GT. This is the tip.
Yes.
This
Because
one.
you take the teeth and the hooks. on
This
the-
hook maybe this one area, but this one for sure the GT.
Oh.
Yeah. And this one too. You can see him.
Wow.
Yeah, and this one too. Head. Oh, this 3 GT.
3 GT.
Yeah, this one is custom. For my
Custom?
friend. Yeah.
Your friend custom rod?
Custom rod,
Wow. It's a dunk rod.
Pop till you drop. Thank you.
Pop till you drop.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
yeah.
this one I caught big.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Thank you. But it's
Wow.
a custom road, and this one with the Langwan Bali. This is the GT, meaning in Balinese word. Langwan Bali. It's like
Langwan
GT
Bali?
of Bali Island. Langwan.
Langwan into Iceland, where you fishing a GT?
No, this is the Bali name,
Balian name.
local name
Local
of
name.
the GT.
Ok. C'est le nom.
Langwan.
des GT. Langwan.
Langwan Bali.
Langwan
So
Bali.
GT of Bali. Yeah.
We are here for Langwan.
Yeah.
Langwan mission.
Langwan. Sini. Ben. Rib, pork rib, special from what? From Duki.
From Duki.
Okay.
Yes. Duki ribs. Duki ribs.
Have you make?
Yes.
Yeah.
Tomorrow. Yeah. But sorry, we practice a catch and release. Don't take fish here.
I'm fishing.
But you don't release the pork.
Okay, it's our dinner for tonight. Pork rib.
Pork ribs.
Pork rib with my buddy. Hey buddy, we're gonna have dinner together, right?
Yes, pork rib is the life.
Yeah.
Yes, it's life. Yes.
Yep. Today.
I travel the middle of the earth especially for eat this pork.
This pork.
Yes.
That's all. Pork rib.
Pork rib.
Hey, donkey, right?
Yes.
From France, Matthew.
Yes.
Yeah, for today, and then tomorrow we're gonna go fishing together. So fingers crossed we have a good luck. So we had a barbecue pork rib.
Cái này có nhắn là đến đây hả?
Hả?
Nhắn là đến đấy.
Cái này.
Bon, première journée terminée. On a visité la forêt des singes. On a fait la connaissance de quelqu'un d'adorable, c'est Kuhl, hein, qui est un fanatique de la pêche à la Carangue GT. Donc je pense qu'on est vraiment avec la bonne personne ici. Ah, c'est vraiment quelqu'un d'adorable. Voilà, il fait tout pour que je me sente à l'aise. Il communique vachement bien. Il cache rien. Il m'a emmené. Il a essayé de m'emmener à pas mal de magasins de pêche pour que j'essaye de voir le matériel, les gens, que je rencontre les gens aussi qui sont sur place, m'expliquer ses techniques. En fait, beaucoup son savoir. En fait, il partage énormément. Et il cache rien en fait. Et il m'a même emmené dans son temple secret chez lui, dans sa pièce où il a tous ses leurres avec les cicatrices. Il m'a montré ses cannes, où il vivait. On est même allé manger au restaurant. On a mangé des bons ribs de porc caramélisés. On s'est régalé, on a passé un super moment. Et ça, c'est vraiment quelque chose de chouette, quoi. Parce que quand on voyage, c'est bien voyager pour dire ah, j'ai vu ci, j'ai vu ça, je suis allé là, j'ai fait ci. Mais en fait, moi, quand j'aime bien voyager, alors évidemment, des fois, je voyage seul pour la pêche. Et voyager à plusieurs, c'est bien. Hein, mais quand on est seul, les gens ne nous accueillent pas de la même manière et ils ne nous regardent pas de la même manière. Et souvent, si vous êtes gentil avec eux, ils vont vous donner beaucoup et vous montrer des choses à qui ils ne montreraient pas d'habitude en fait. Donc, Suksumak, Kuhl, hein, ça veut dire merci en balinais. Suksumak, beaucoup. Alors, on va essayer de passer une bonne nuit, bien se reposer, on va pas sortir, on va pas faire la bringue, hein, non, parce qu'on est déjà un peu raide. Donc, on va se reposer, être bien pour demain physiquement et mentalement, parce que demain, première journée de pêche avec Kuhl. Il nous emmène sur un bateau traditionnel balinais et on va tenter de capturer notre première GT. Voilà, peut-être avec ce leurre, hein. Sinking stick bait comme il appelle. Voilà, c'est un leurre en fait qui nage sous la surface. Il faut le lancer, le ramener. Le machin il est pas petit, hein. Donc il fait 100 grammes celui-là. Alors j'espère que demain on va capturer notre première grosse GT. Ah, si on en capturait une petite, ça serait pas mal. Et voilà. Donc on croise les doigts, on va s'appliquer et